it's Dr. Clark from Fremont Spine and Wellness. I wanted to hop on here because we put up a video earlier going over, how to work from home, easy steps that you can take to be more ergonomic. And I wanted to hop on and show you now, looking at a desk, what you can do to not only relieve, maybe some neck tension, low back stress, but also have better posture while you're on the computer. So ideally, you want to be at a standing desk. It's going to really help take a lot of added stress, not only off of like the neck, but also your low back as well. So the best setup when you're looking at working on a computer is you want to be able to really have your elbows comfortably relaxed by your side. You don't want to be having to shrug your shoulders or having to really reach for the keyboard too low. Again, we want to alleviate stress on the neck as much as possible. When looking at, a screen, that's also something you want to think about. Like, how far away is your screen? Do you feel like you're leaning forward as you're working on the screen? Do you feel like you're looking down a lot when you're on the screen? Really, ideally, you should be looking at the upper third of your monitor. That's going to help promote healthier neck, also healthier posture as well. With standing, one of the biggest things that I hear from our practice members is that fatigue can set in the feet. So I recommend getting like a good anti-fatigue mat that's going to help you be able to stand longer. Also, another way that you can really help relieve stress on not only your feet but also your low back with standing is pull up your chair behind you. So you can pull up a chair while you're on the computer and you're typing away. You can really just bring your foot up and rest it behind you. This is a good way to also create mobility, movement while you're standing, so being able to switch those areas. And if you have something in front of you, you can also work on bringing your foot in front of you, and that'll also help take stress off of your feet and your low back. So those are a few helpful tips as far as how, as we transition to working in the office and at home, it can really help relieve stress on your body. Make sure to look below. We kind of outlined what I just went through, and have a great day.